Welcome children. Okay, today we are going to do transformation. What's transformation? Transformation means change. Okay, we have in your syllabus transformation of sentences. Different types of sentences, we will interchange them. Today, first transformation we are taking, that is exclamatory sentences. Okay, and the exclamatory sentences are changed into assertive. Now, first of all, I'll tell you what are exclamatory sentences. What is exclamation, by the way? Okay, in many sentences you have seen the punctuation mark, that is this. Okay, so this is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark or exclamatory sentence or exclamation means the where we express our own feelings. To exclaim is to express your feelings. It could be a happy feeling or a sad one. Okay, or in other words we can say where we express our emotions, that is exclamation. Now here exclamatory sentences I have written here. See, exclamatory sentences expresses what? They expresses the strong feelings or emotions. Whenever you get before you an exclamatory sentence, it means it shows that a strong feeling or emotion is expressed in that sentence. Okay, and the same other one, assertive. Assertive means acceptation in simple words. Okay, whenever you come across an assertive sentence, you feel that the statement says something you are accepting, and that it's a simple statement also. That is assertive sentence. Okay, so these both are interchanged. Exclamatory into assertive, vice versa, assertive into exclamatory. Okay, let us see the first one. Now the structure, when I tell you in exclamatory structure, how is the structure? The words what or how are there. When you make an exclamatory sentence, the sentence begins with what or how. Okay, with that adjective is added. Then we have a noun. After that a formal noun and the to be forms. To be form is, was, are and were. Okay, and noun is, that would be common noun mostly, and formal noun the specified noun what you are talking about. When I give you an example, you will better understand that. Okay, let us see the example over here. What a beautiful flower the rose is. What a beautiful flower the rose is. Okay, and this is exclamation mark has to be there in exam also if you write, otherwise it's not accepted. It will be considered as wrong. So what, as per the structure, what is here, then how we haven't used here, then adjective. What is the adjective? Beautiful. After that a noun, that is I told you, which is the noun? Noun, that is flower. You can take it as a common noun. Okay, and then we have a formal noun. Which is the formal noun? Specific noun. We are talking about which flower? The rose. And the to be forms, as you know, is, was, are and were. Always an exclamatory sentence will end with is, was, are or were. That is the to be forms. Okay, as per the sentence given. So this is an exclamatory sentence. This sentence is changed into assertive. Assertive, as I told you, it's a statement, or seeing the sentence we come to know something we accept. Then what is it? Structure is of assertive sentences formal subject. Which is the formal subject here? The rose. Okay, and then the to be form is, was, are and were according to the noun you have to add, and the adjective we have to use plus the noun. Okay, which noun? The common noun. So here the same sentence exclamatory is changed into assertive by what is the statement we come across? The rose is a beautiful flower. Means the exclamation was how, what a beautiful flower the rose is, and do we, and yes, we accept that. And what do we say, or what statement do we make? That the rose is a beautiful flower. Okay, So this is the example of assertive sentence. Now let us make another example. Let us see with how, because how also comes in exclamatory sentence. How beautiful the rose is. Same sentence, same adjective, but little bit twist. How beautiful the rose is. This is an exclamatory sentence. And how is the structure here? Structure is how, then beautiful is the adjective, and rose is what? Rose is the formal noun. Specific noun is rose. And what is the common noun? Flower. So what we say? That how beautiful the rose is. This is the exclamatory sentence. So this is the structure, to be forms, and the rose is very beautiful. This is the assertive statement, or with seeing the expression how beautiful the rose is, we did accept that. And what do we say? What statement do we make, or what sentence do we come across? The rose is very beautiful. Okay, in this case, or in assertive sentence, these words I have told you. And how is the structure? Formal, that is the rose. Okay, formal noun, then is, was, are, were, the to be forms. After that, very, really, indeed. These things has to be, these words are usually added. Okay, very and really, of course. Indeed, at times I will show you with the help of another example. But in this sentence, the rose is very beautiful, or the rose is really beautiful. That is the assertive form of the exclamatory sentence. How beautiful the rose is. Okay. Now let us see indeed. We say how smart he is. Another sentence we have. How smart he is. And what is the assertive sentence changed into? The exclamatory sentence is changed into assertive. And we have the sentence, he is smart indeed. You can make it, he is really smart. He is very smart. Or he is smart indeed. So here, really, very, and indeed. These are the words which are added for the exclamatory sentence. When exclamatory sentences are changed into assertive. Not always, but in many of the cases. And normally, how, when a sentence, exclamatory sentence begins with how. Okay, let us see. Now let us take another example. How slowly she walks. This is an example of what sentence? Exclamatory sentence beginning with how. How do we change it? She walks, as I told you. Okay, and is, was, are, were, very, indeed. This is she walks very slowly. Or we can put here, she walks really slowly. But normally we use very word here. She walks slowly indeed. That's also correct. Okay. This is the structure for that. Let us see now another example with O. Okay. O plus that or would that. These are all exclamatory sentence which begins with plus we have a clause. Okay. This is in which case? This is in exclamatory sentence. Let us get with an example. Okay. Oh, that I were a bird. Oh, that I were a bird. This is an exclamatory sentence. And this exclamatory sentence will be changed into assertive. So what do we make it? Assertive structure will be, okay, subject plus wish, subject plus wish plus the clause. This is in assertive sentence. This is exclamatory, and these exclamatory changes into assertive. For example, the same sentence, oh that I were a bird. So what do we say? I wish. Okay, subject is I, so I wish. Then what was the clause? I were a bird. Okay. Another example, let us take. How I wish you were my friend. How I wish you were my friend. Okay, and the same sentence will come into how. Okay, this is assertive sentence. I wish you were my friend. Or sometimes how is also added there. How I wish you were my friend. And what will be the thing that instead of this would also will be there. Would that you were my friend. Okay, these are what? These are all assertive sentence. No, these are exclamatory sentence, and this will change into what? I wish that. This would that is changed into I wish. I wish that you were my friend. Okay, so this assertive exclamatory sentence changes into what? Changes into assertive, where wherever you have a word that subject plus wish plus the clause, this oh or how or would that, when you have, then instead of these words what do we write? We write I wish. This is the structure, subject plus wish plus the clause. Okay, some sad message if we are going to pass, let us see. Okay, how do we make? Some sad message. So it starts with alas. Okay, he failed in the exam. Alas, he failed in the exam. This is exclamatory sentence. Okay, alas is what? This is a sad affair. So what do we say? It is very sad. It is very sad that he failed in the exam. This is assertive. If we say hooray, this is what? Hooray is a happy incident. Hooray, we have won the match. Hooray, we have won the match. Getting me? So what do we say? This is a happy incident. So say it is very happy, or it's really happy, or it's really good. Anything you can write. It's really happy, it's really good. Okay, or it's really joyful. Anything. It's really good that what? the clause. We have won the match. Okay, can you get me? This is a sad incident, so exclamation, and here it is what? This is a happy one. Seeing this word you can make out whether it is a happy one or a sad one. Alas, then don't say, wow, we have lost the match. Okay, so see the incident. So what is it? It is very happy, it is joyful, it is very good. Okay, and then the clause. What is the clause? We have won the match. That clause, that has to be there. Yeah. Okay. Then if only I could reach in time. If only I could reach in time. This is what? This is exclamatory sentence. And what is that? Same here also we will have to same subject. Structure will be subject plus wish. In what case? In assertive. If we change, then it will be subject plus wish plus to plus V1, okay, plus the rest of the sentence. Be careful with the structure. This is the exclamatory sentence structure, okay, and here this assertive is changed into, this is the structure. Let us see. If only I could reach the, what is that? If only I could reach in time. So what do we say? I wish. I wish, subject is I wish that, you have to use there. Okay, I wish to, I told you, which is the verb reach. I wish to reach in time. This is the exclamatory sentence. Got it? See, if only, if it is there, this will be the structure. And what is the sentence? The answer. This is assertive answer. Okay. I wish to reach in time. I, subject, wish, then to, reach, V1, and in time, the rest of the sentence. Okay. Are you getting me? Fine. Let us see some more. Here, the same sentence can be written in the other way also. I wish that I could reach in time. This also is the another answer for the same. Here, what will be the thing? That is, here this structure is what? Subject plus wish. Okay, subject plus wish plus that plus the clause. What was the clause? Reach in time. I wish that I could reach in time. So this sentence, assertive sentence, this is the structure. Sorry, this is the exclamatory sentence, and exclamatory sentence change into assertive could be in both the ways. This one could be one structure and the other one will be this structure. Okay, so both are applicable. Correct. Another example let us take. These are all different types of exclamatory sentences. Change into assertive. To imagine he is buying a new house. Okay, to imagine he is buying a new house. This is what? Exclamatory sentence. We have to change it into assertive. What do we say? Means I cannot imagine that he can buy a new house. That is the exclamation. So how do we make this assertive? Okay, it is strange. It is strange what that. It is strange that he should buy a new house. It is strange that he should buy a new house. This is assertive sentence. Okay. So why? See, you can understand. To imagine he is buying a new car means it's really unbelievable. In that case, when to imagine it is there, what do we use? It is strange that he should buy a new car. This sort of things we make use of. Okay. After that, let us see another example. How? These are all examples of exclamatory sentence and with different words I am giving you. How mean of him. Means he was very bad, he was very rude, he behaved in a very bad manner. So how mean of him. So what do we say? This is exclamatory sentence and you have to change it into assertive. So what will be the structure? Structure will be what? Structure will be subject, okay, then plus the verb plus the adjective, then enough plus the infinitive. Infinitive is to infinitive. Infinitive. Okay. So this will be what? Assertive sentence. Exclamatory changes into, okay, he, okay, how mean of him. He was very mean. Okay, how mean of him. He was very mean. How mean of him to do this. So he was very mean. He was mean, then enough to do it. He was mean enough to do it. So what do we do? How mean of him to do this. This is exclamatory sentence and the structure will be subject plus verb plus adjective, enough and infinitive. So he was mean enough to do it. Okay. So this is the structure. Let us take another example of the same kind. Another example let me take. How rude of him. How rude of him to scold her. How rude of him to scold her. With the previous example, what do we say? This is exclamatory sentence. We are changing into to assertive. So, he was rude enough. He was, then what is the adjective? Rude. Then enough. He was rude enough to scold her. This is assertive sentence. Clear? So, how rude of him. What do we say? Subject plus verb, then the adjective, enough, then the rest part of the sentence or the clause. So, this is the thing. These are all different types of exclamatory sentences. So I am showing you which could be changed into what? Which could be changed into assertive. Vice versa, same. If assertive sentences are there, then we make it into what? We make it into exclamatory. Another. A doctor and going for a strike. Or I'll give another example. Okay, a soldier and without gun. Okay, this is an exclamation. It's a surprise that how can a soldier be without a gun? This is an exclamatory sentence. What do we have to make it into assertive? So what do we say? It is a soldier can. We cannot accept this. Soldier can never be without a gun. A soldier can never be without a gun. Okay? Or I will say that your grandfather, okay, and getting married, your grandfather and getting married. This is exclamatory sentence. So we cannot imagine that grandfather at this age could get married, right? So what do we say? What do we say? It's shocking. It is shocking. It's shocking, or we can say strange. It is shocking or it's strange that your grandfather is getting married. Okay? It's shocking or it's strange. It's really strange. It's really shocking that your grandfather is getting married. This is what? This is an assertive sentence. Then bravo. This sort of exclamation. Bravo. You rocked the stage. Bravo, you rocked. What do you say? This is praise. So, this is exclamatory sentence. So, bravo, you. It is a matter of joy or happiness. Okay? It's a matter of joy that you rocked. It's a matter of joy that you rocked. Or bravo, you performed well. Oh, bravo, you stood first. So it's a matter of joy that you stood first. It's a matter of joy that you won the first prize. Okay. So these are all different types of sentences of exclamatory sentences which are changed into assertive or vice versa. Same sentence, if this is given, we can change it into exclamatory. If this is given, then this will become the exclamatory sentence. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.